how to download Pinterest images without watermark. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to download Pinterest images without any watermark, the right and the safe way. So it's important to note that Pinterest images usually do not have watermarks by default. Watermarks often appear only when you use third-party download websites or apps. So what you can do is just download the image directly from the Pinterest rather than other websites. Just open up the Pinterest app and then tap on the image that you want to download and tap on the three dots and you can see download image option. Just tap on it and the image will be downloaded without any watermark. You can go to your photos and view it. Pinterest has downloaded the image without any watermark. Just don't use random Pinterest downloader sites and don't reuse images commercially without permission. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Pinterest tips. Thank you for watching.